Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it is Christmas Eve, which is really cool because tomorrow, Friday, is Christmas. But I'm going to be seeing what people offer for my fly-ride parrot. This person, it's actually a pretty decent offer. It's a neon fly-ride ninja monkey NFR griffin. Nobody really likes the griffins that much, but they're nice. And then a mega bat, a neon red starfish, fly red panda, neon red panda. This is a really cool trade, but I'm probably just going to decline. Okay, so I got another trade request. They're offering a fly ride kitsune, a fly ride evil unicorn, and a fly ride normal unicorn. That is a pretty cool offer. I like the evil unicorns a lot, but I'm just going to decline. Okay, I got another trade request. Oh my gosh, a neon fly ride golden griffin. That's a really cool offer. And then they're adding more. Those are pretty cool ads, actually. Wow, that's a really cool offer. I really like the golden griffin and all these pets. But I'm just going to decline. It's a really good offer, though. Oh yeah, I'm just going to send this person a trade request because I want to offer for the crow. I'm going to offer a fly ride Arctic reindeer. Okay, they declined. Okay, so I'm just gonna say trading FR parrot. Okay, I got a trade request. What are they gonna offer? Oh, okay, so neon fly ride griffin. I think that's under, so I'm just going to decline. Ooh, their server is rich. Also, guys, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Also, make sure to join my Adopt Me giveaway. All you gotta do to enter is like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, and enter your username and why you'd like to win in the comments below. Okay, so I don't know, I'm just going to send trade requests to just random people. Okay, what is she gonna offer for my parrot? She declined. Ooh, oh, that's cool. There's a Mega Frost in this server. Wow, this server's rich. Okay, so I'm gonna say trading parrot again to see if anyone is going. Okay, I got a trade request. Neon fly red ninja. Okay, this person already offered from a parrot. They're changing up their ads slightly. It's still a nice offer, but I'm going to decline. Ooh, oh my gosh, there's so many neons on here. But I'm just gonna send this girl trade request. Okay, I'm gonna see what. Oh, a ride crow. Okay, so she declined. Ooh, there's a neon albino. Okay, so I'm gonna put in my parrot. They're offering, wow, 4 skelly T-Rexes. One of them is Fly Ride, and then a Fly Ride, a Red Dragon. Oh my gosh, they added a few more Red Dragons, and then a Golden Griffin and a Snow Owl. That's a really cool offer, but I'm just going to decline because I feel like it might be a slightly under or fair. Okay, so I just declined. Okay, I got another trade request. They're offering a Fly Ride Arctic Reindeer. I think the Fly Ride Arctic Reindeers are really cute, but I already have one. So, they're also offering some golden pets. Well, just a golden penguin and a golden rat. A king bee, 2 scaly rexes, and 3 unicorns. They're really cool ads, but I'm just going to decline. Okay, so I'm gonna say trading parrot again. Trading parrot, I have a unicorn. Oh. Okay, so I'm just going to trade this person really quickly because she said trade me if you have a unicorn. So yeah. She's offering 3 red potions, a penguin, a saber tooth. Actually 4 saber tooths. That's a... Oh, and I'm probably just going to decline this trade because I don't think it's really fair. Okay, so... Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!